Alright YouTube, well, a little update for y'all on my swamp cooler slash air conditioner. I'm going to make this video before I leave for the next month. Now before I show y'all what I actually did, we're going to present it just like a Scottish bird supper. I know I haven't done this in a while, but we're going to do it. And y'all are going to be amazed. I just felt the air coming from it too. And I'll show it to you guys after we present it and address it. So first, I'm going to get the pipes ready. Pull the chanter out. Alright, it's presenting time. There we go. Presenting is done. Now, an address. Address to the air conditioner, swamp cooler, evaporation cooler. I've done something to you that I know everyone is going to enjoy now. I know I've enjoyed it now, and ever since I've been putting water and ice in the top, I've never actually thought to freeze my vent and therefore create more ice for the vent and filter, and so that's what I did. I created ice on the filter, put some water into the actual vent, where it also freezes the filter. And now presenting is done. The little address speech, we present it and address it just like the haggis at a burnt supper. I normally do all things until I present it and address it like a Scottish burnt supper. And now here's what it feels like. Yes, we're blowing hot air right now, but everything is working as it should. I still kind of wish there was a way I could actually get more cold air out of this thing, but and if y'all notice, I actually have it sitting by in the window, just like a window air conditioner. So therefore, when I'm sleeping at night, the air is blowing on me exactly. So there we go. We got air We got water and ice in the top. Put it back in. I have it sitting on my windowsill. Okay, the ice needs to melt just a bit. We have cyan light, and I can change the color on that just by reaching back behind here. Got cyan, red, white, blue, magenta, yellow, green, color mode, auto color mode, off, and back to cyan. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching. Been a long time since I played bagpipes for y'all, and now they're finally back out. Now, when I go this weekend, I'm going to be going to Kansas. I'm actually bringing my Irish bouzouki with me, so it's a good thing I put ice in the vent of my little Arctic swamp cooler unit, because I really want to keep this thing relatively cool, even while I'm here, because I have been playing it, and because it's been hot here in Southern California, our air conditioner's been struggling. Now, we did change the filter yesterday, but there's still some things that I think need fixing, but there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.